All right, more progress on this El Camino. So we sanded the door down. We just filled in these little spots here. Now we're gonna lick the whole thing, one even. This way we get it nice and smooth. We'll get that, and then same thing with the top. So we're gonna just blow this all off real quick, mix some more Bondo up, and put it on there. All right. Put one more lick on it. That's going to be the main one right there. Most of that's probably going to get sanded off. Probably about 85% of that's going to come off. And then we'll have a straight door, and then we'll put a final glaze right on it. All right, so we're going to set that aside till tomorrow. This way that thing will be rock hard and it'll sand up good. If not, it just clogs up the paper and makes a mess. I'm going to get the fender out next, do the same thing. So we're doing the fender the same way here, where we got the patch put in here. Now we got to form this, right? And get all this out of here. Using 36 grit paper. This way it cuts down. I'll get it to where it's kind of straight. This sat overnight. So this stuff's like a rock. You got to make sure the paper's good, because if not, it doesn't cut. That paper's shot, so I'm going to change the paper. Put another piece of paper on it. You go through a lot of paper because you want to make sure it's sharp. All you're doing is going, if you're trying to sand this spot and there's a dent there or something, if the paper's not sharp, you'll sand, and all you're doing is you're going over the paper, over the bump instead of cutting through it. So you want to be able to cut through it and make the panel flat. After that, then when you're licking it, you get all the scratches and stuff out, like we did on the other car. All right. Now we got a new piece of paper, right? The new paper cuts right through. And I get all these little waves and dimples and stuff out of here. I'll knock that down some more. I need two hands to do this. I can't do it with one hand. I gotta be able to hold the fender. My cameraman's gone for a little while. He'll be back later. Alright, so you can see here, a little bit right here. Lick that one again. Same thing with that. That's low. We're just going to put some Bondo on there. And that'll be good to go, and then I'll just check the rest of the fender also. Okay. Alright. Put a little bit more here on it because I know this is gonna be low. Just sand that down. This is good. All right. Now over here, I'm going to fix this edge. And then skim this whole thing. Fix this bottom piece. That's it. Right. That'll probably be the final one on that. That's probably the final one on that. Okay. All right, so we got that all sanded. This looks good. That came out good. That came out good. That's all done. I'm just gonna check this other. I'm gonna find some high and low spots on this. See if anything's here. A couple of wingers right there. See that right there, see? I'm gonna put some right there, clean that up. And check this other side also. I'm gonna turn the fender up. Turn that one up and check the other one. Top of it. Not too bad. see it. So you could tell right away where they are, where the dents are. And I could feel that one. So, try to bang that out a little bit. Might be able to bang that one out. Get as little plastic as possible on it. These are nice fenders, actually. These are for a '66 Chevelle. 2 spots on it, not too bad. Most of these cars are really rotted bad. This one was sitting up in Pennsylvania someplace. So I'm sure it's seen a lot of winters and stuff up there. That's why the car is still rotted. Right there. That one in the front, I'm going to knock that out. And a high spot there. Overall, not too bad. Once we prime these with 2K primer, then block them down. They'll be nice. They'll be really nice. Right here. See that right there? You can see the shadow right there. We got a high spot here, a low spot there, and then a low spot right there. All right. Get to sanding on this one. Actually, I'm going to go back to the door now. That's been a few hours, at least. We'll get back to that door and knock that all down, see how that stands. So when you look at the top of that fender, right? It's like a wavy ocean. See all the up and down, up and down, up and down. So I'm just going to skim it from here and skim this whole top. This way it comes out perfect. So we're going to basically grind it with a 36. Give the Bondo something to stick to. Alright. Mix some putty up. Alright, gonna mix this up and then I'll spread her out. Alright, nice mix, and we're gonna spread her right out. Alright. I'm gonna start here, but I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Basically, I'm just gonna go nice and smooth, like that, as thin as I could get it. Okay, like that. All right. Now it's straight. Now when you block that out, that'll be straight. And then I'll get them little spots on the side later. But there's only a couple little ones. I could bang those out. The two that I see I could bang out. That one was so many up and down, I just skim it and get it over with. So rather than trying to block this whole door by hand, which we've done a million times, we use this real quick. This will knock it down. We're going to put 36 on this. So once we put 36 on this, we'll knock it right down quick and get it all flat again, and then finish it off, fine tune it. So right off the bat, right, you can see it's got these two high spots, right? You got the low spot in the middle, but you got these two crowns. I'm gonna knock those down. Right. Alright, knock them down. Then we'll skim them again later. We want to get this spot out of here. Alright? We'll just finish sanding the whole thing down with that. Alright, so now that we knocked it all down, you can see there's a spot right here, right? And a spot here, and a spot there. Alright, now you know what, those are the low spots. The rest of the door, sweet. So we'll get these spots lift back in, hit it again. Alright, that's all done. Just finished it down. I took that little dent out of the side and the one in the back. So one. I'll take this one more right here. I'll take that one out. And that's it. And this fender is ready for primer. Ready for primer. Let me take that little dent out of that, and that's it. Alright. So we got a little dip on that. The rest of the fender's done. I'll finish blocking the door tomorrow, and then finish one more lick on this. And that's it for today.